morning, 8th grade. This marks the last day of week 2 for remote learning, so I hope everyone's doing well out there and is adjusting. Hope everybody's well and safe. Good morning, Sanaya. How are you? I will go through an explanation of what we're doing over the next few days, school-wise, not over the weekend, obviously. Okay, cool. I'm glad you're doing good. But let's start with a warm-up. Good morning, Kevin. So today's warm-up is a little bit of a riddle. I hope you like it. I thought it would get you thinking a bit. So they want you to solve for X, Y, and Z if, inside parentheses, 3 times 5, so all of that answer, that product has to be put to the 4th power times all of that, and then X, Y, Z are exponents to the far right. So copy that down, and let's see if you guys can figure it out. Good morning, Thais. Thank you guys for joining. I'm just letting everybody copy down the warm-up because I want you guys to see if you can figure out the riddle. We're looking to solve for the exponents x, y, z. All right, I'm going to move it to the big board. Arms getting tired. Okay. I guess we could put it over here. Let's move over some more then. So it said 3 times 5 quantity to the 4th power. 2 times 3 to the 5th. Move that over. Times 2 to the 5th to the 7th equals 2 to the next. That's a Z. Okay. Good morning, Joshua. I scared you off yesterday, huh, with that test? You were like, test, what? Choo, out of here. We're just doing the warm-up right now. Good morning, Dagny. Good morning, Camila. Hope you guys are doing good. This wraps up week 2, and I don't know about you, but I guess I kind of feel good that we've experienced 2 weeks because it means we've survived 2 weeks and started a routine. You know, mental fortitude, strong character, you know, can adapt, get through anything kind of thing. You know what I mean? Maybe I'm overreacting. Maybe I'm a little too philosophical this morning. I don't know. Any ideas how we're going to solve for X, Y, Z, guys? Using your power rules, maybe? Hopefully. What do you guys think? It's kind of like a riddle, so I don't want to give it away. As a matter of fact, if you guys don't figure it out, I might leave it like that and then just give you the answer when I see you guys Monday. Riddles are good for your mind. Very good for your mind. They make you think outside the box. They make you put thoughts together and things that you've learned together that you might not normally have in a certain situation. Man, you guys are quiet. You guys can't be this quiet. You're going to put me to sleep. Say something. Tell a joke, something. I don't know. Tell me some good news, something. What's going on? Everybody okay? It's too early, miss. Well, we got to warm up somehow. So come on. What are we going to do here? What are we looking at? We're looking at exponents, right? So what exponent rule do you think we need to apply here? Well, if you look here, these are different bases, right? So that means we should be applying this one. You should be able to still see that. If you have different bases but the same exponent, they look like that. So what kind of format is this one in? Like all of these are put in this format. So if we want it in the singular format, let's go backwards. Let's go from here to here. Okay? Almost like you're distributing, but backwards. So you could do 3 to the 4th power times 5 to the 4th power times 2 to the 5th times 3 to the 5th times 2 to the 7th times 5 to the 7th. Now that it's all distributed, right, I broke it up so that it looks like this one. Now you can, quote unquote, combine like terms. So I see that if you notice, they each have a base, right? 2, 3, and 5. So let's look at the 2's first. Here's a 2, a base 2. Here's a base 2. Well, when I multiply the same base, what do I do with the exponents? I add them, right? That's what it says right here. Same base, different exponents, add the exponents. Okay, that's that one. What about this one? The bases that have a 3. Here's base 3 and here's base 3. So if I multiply the same base, what do I do with the exponents? Again, you add them. And then the last one is a base 5. And I guess I'll just put a box. That way it stands out that it's different. So it should be 5 to the 11th power. So according to this, base 2, the exponent was x, so x equals 12. Y was the exponent on 3, so y has to equal 9. And z was the exponent on 5, so z equals 11. Easy peasy, right? Okay, now it's time for the good stuff. So it looks like, let me take attendance, and then we're going to get started with, depending on who you are. So like, for example, Kevin, Thais, and Dagny, you guys could start part 2 of your test. But like Sanaya, Joshua, Camila, you guys are on part 1 because we did part 1 yesterday. So really, for the for Sanaya and Camila, I need to ask if you've watched the 3 videos on the review. Which I got to get this right in my head. So if we're testing Thursday and Friday, that means that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday was the review. And if this is day 10 and that was day 9, 8, 7, and 6, videos, day 6, day 7, day 8, all 3 of them are test review. Did you watch those 3 videos to review? Sanaya and Camila, I'm asking. And anybody else that joined that didn't say present yet. So, Sanaya, Kevin, Thais, Joshua, Camila. Okay. So, Sanaya, I'm trying to be very flexible with you guys. I'm trying to be very consistent and keep pressure on you, but I'm also trying to... Okay. All right. So I want to be fair, right? I'm streaming every day, but according to your schedule, only 2 of them are required. Tuesday and Friday, they're required per Mr. Luca because they are classes. Really, as long as you attend 2 out of the 5, that should be sufficient. But you should be watching the ones that you miss on your own time when you have time, almost like homework. Because I'm going to continue my lessons. Like, you still have to learn. I take that very seriously. I want you to know that. You might not take it seriously, but as your teacher, I need to take it seriously. And crisis or not, you still have to learn. So, Camila, you don't have to watch the one from yesterday because we were testing. You have to watch, and Sanaya and anyone else who sees this, who needs to take their part 1 test, you have to watch day 6, day 7, and day 8. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because those are 3 days of test review. If you watch those 3, then you come to the stream, whichever one we're on, and then I will give you your test. Whatever I'm doing, I will give you your test. It closes. It's only open during the stream.